Hello friends, welcome to our mutual fund queries channel. Today we are going to compare two best tax saver funds in ELSS category. The comparison is between Quant Tax Saver and Mirae Asset Tax Saver Fund. Tax saver mutual funds will give higher returns compared to other tax saving schemes like 5 years fixed deposit, NPS, EPF, PPF, etc. Also, ELSS mutual funds have less lock-in period of 3 years whereas other instruments have minimum of 5 years. If you would have invested 10,000 as SIP in Quant Tax Saver is now worth of 41.09 lakhs and in Mirae Asset Tax Saver is now worth of 15.05 lakhs. Now, let's get started. First, we will see Quant Tax Saver fund details. Fund size is 1,166.17 crores. This fund is launched on 7th January 2013. Expense ratio is 0.50%. Riskometer is very high. Overall SIP return is 26.75% since inception of this fund. Lock-in period is 3 years. Category is ELSS fund. Now, we will see Mirae Asset Tax Saver Fund details. Fund size is 11,790.17 crores. This fund is launched on 28 December 2015. Expense ratio is 0.55%. Riskometer is very high. Overall SIP return is 21.54% since inception of this fund. Lock-in period is 3 years. Category is ELSS fund. In this screen, we will see other details for Quant Tax Saver and Mirae Asset Tax Saver Fund. First, we will see about Quant. Current NAV is 252.59. Benchmark is Nifty 500 TRI. Exit load is 0% since there is 3 years lock-in period. Minimum SIP investment is 500. Minimum lump sum investment is 500. Additional investment is 500. Now we will see other details for Mirae Asset Tax Saver. Current NAV is 33.52. Benchmark is Nifty 500 TRI. Exit load is 0%. Minimum SIP investment is 500. Minimum lump sum investment is 500. Additional investment is 500. In this screen, we will see the return in lump sum investment for Quant Tax Saver and Mirae Asset Tax Saver Fund. 1 lakh invested in this fund for last 1 year is now 1,46,000. In last 2 years, it is 3,10,000. It is 2,63,000 in last 3 years. Would be 3,15,000 in last 5 years. And an exceptional return of 6,45,000 since inception of this fund. Now, we will see the return in lump sum investment for Mirae Asset Tax Saver. 1 lakh invested in this fund for last 1 year is now 1,23,000. In last 2 years, it is 2,08,000. It is 1,80,000 in last 3 years. Would be 2,42,000 in last 5 years. And super return of 3,35,000 since inception of this fund. In this screen, we will see the return in SIP investment for Quant Tax Saver Fund. 10,000 invested in this fund for last 1 year is now 1,39,000. In last 2 years, it is 4,03,000. It is 7,35,000 in last 3 years. Would be 14,06,000 in last 5 years. An extraordinary return of 41,09,000 since inception of this fund. Now, we will see the return in SIP investment for Mirae Asset Tax Saver. 10,000 invested in this fund for last 1 year is now 1,25,000. In last 2 years, it is 3,20,000. It is 5,36,000 in last 3 years. would be 10,24,000 in last 5 years. And amazing return of 15,05,000 since inception of this fund. In this screen, we will see top 10 stocks holding for Quant tax saver. Vedanta holding is 6.53%. Adani Enterprises holding is 5.80%. Ruchi Soya Industries holding is 5.75%. State Bank of India holding is 5.70%. Adani Ports and Cess holding is 5.57%. ICICI Bank is 5.26%. ITC holding is 5.18%. Coal India holding is 5.11%. L&T holding is 5.04%. Indian Hotels Company holding is 3.93%. Now, we will see top 10 stocks holding for Mirae Asset Tax Saver. Infosys holding is 7.54%. HDFC Bank holding is 7.15%. ICICI Bank holding is 6.65%. Reliance holding is 6.31%. Axis Bank holding is 4.25%. State Bank of India holding is 3.51%. TCS holding is 2.75%. L&T holding is 2.52%. Sun Pharma holding is 2.39%. HCL holding is 2.15%. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, then please subscribe to our channel.